In general type of blend, sections are placed on planes which have a translation distance and rotation angle both. In short, general type of blend is a combination of parallel and rotation both. Let's exercise a tutorial. The solid shown in the tutorial comprises of three sections. First section is a rounded rectangle of 300 by 222 units with corner radius of 51 units. Second section is also a rounded rectangle of 150 by 101 units with a corner radius of 25.5 units and placed at a distance of 100 units and bears an angle of 50 degrees from section 1. Similarly, the third section is also a rounded rectangle of 100 by 74 units with a corner radius of 17 units and placed at a distance of 300 units and bears an angle of 30 degrees from section 2. Let's join these sections with general blend tool in Creo 3. In the miscellaneous tab, general blend, protrusion, sketch section, attributes straight, select the sketching plane for drawing the section, OK, default. Draw the first section, which is a rounded rectangle as shown in the tutorial. You can use the sketcher palette to extract the rounded rectangle. Then match the center point of the rounded rectangle with the 00 point of the software and modify the dimensions as shown in the drawing. One important point which is to be noted for general blend is that all the sections in the general blend should have a reference coordinate system. All the sections used for general blend should have a reference coordinate system. So after modifying the dimensions, go into the coordinate system option in sketching. After modifying the dimensions, take up the coordinate system command from the sketching group, and place a coordinate system at the center of the rectangle. Press the OK tool to exit the section. Then x-axis rotation angle is 0. Y-axis rotation angle between section 1 and 2 is 50 degrees as shown in the drawing. The z-axis rotation angle is 0. You get a new sketching window. The first job is to place a reference coordinate system. Then from the palette, extract a rounded rectangle and match the 00 point of the rounded rectangle with the coordinate system and modify the dimensions as shown in the drawing. Modify the dimensions as shown in the drawing. Modify, regenerate of 25.5 units is the radius, 150 units and 100 units is the length and width. Place it at the center of the reference coordinate system. Press the OK button. Continue to the next section since we have to draw the third section. Y-axis rotation angle is 30 degrees. X and Z axis rotation angles are 00 respectively. You get a third window. The first job is to place a reference coordinate system. From the palette, extract the third rounded rectangle. From the shapes group in the palette, extract the third rounded rectangle, match the 00 point with the coordinate system and modify the dimensions as per the drawing. Once again, remember that all the sections in general blend will require a reference coordinate system. finalize the sketch, press the OK button. Continue section, no, because we have drawn all the 3 sections. Distance between section 1 and 2 is 100, 2 and 3 is 300. Press the preview button. You can see the preview of the solid which has been created by general blend. Attributes smooth, the sections will be joined to create a smooth curve. Attributes straight, once again you can try changing the attributes. Attributes straight will join the sections by a straight line. Attributes smooth will join the section by a smooth curve, So that's a solid which is created by general blend. Shell the solid by the desired thickness so that you get the final object. Ctrl D to see the initial default